Hello everybody. Today we're going to be talking about the update on my 3D printed clock hanger. So this clock hanger is supposed to be, you got the nail part, and we're going to use command strips to populate these and have it hang on the wall without a nail in it. So about a week ago I decided to print these out, design and print this. Video link probably in the description below. I also have a time lapse, probably going to insert it here or for another video. But yeah, we got this all ready, and so today as you can see, it's all nicely printed. It actually does. It does fit in the hole, and it does hang up. So it holds on. It hasn't broken yet, and so now we're just gonna put the command strips on today, and we're gonna attach it to a wall. So this is designed for 2 command strips because I don't trust them as much as I would like. So there's your one. I'm not going to remove the back until I'm ready to put it on the wall, which we're also going to be doing today. And there's number 2. Okay. There we go. So now it's all ready to just, take off the strips and plunk it where I want it. And because it's held up by basically a nail, I don't really need to worry about being off a little bit. Gravity should, in theory, take control, and the clock should sit where it's supposed to. So off we go. Yeah, it's nice, it's big. It's I made it bigger than what it needed to be, but yeah, let's go put it up. Alright, so hey everyone, we're gonna actually attach the doodad to the wall. First I gotta figure out where I want my clock to be. I'm putting it next to the wall of finished projects. I'm gonna think right about there, so it should be maybe like right in this area for my doodad. Alright, so we got the adapter. Yeah. Well, this is the first time I'm actually doing stuff live, so I peel off the command strips. Where did I say? Like somewhere right here. And then I gotta press and hold it for like a couple seconds, because it takes a while for the thing to bond to the back side of the wall. Alright. We probably could have straightened this out a bit more. That's fine, I guess. Here we go. And so, I've just got to keep doing this for about a minute. Because I don't want this to detach or anything. This is good for, what was it, 5 pounds of strip? So 10 pounds of force right now. But again, that's not what I really want. Yeah, the clock's not 10 pounds, but I want it because I know command strips aren't the best adhesives to certain things, and so I'd rather give it extra, because over time the adhesive will lose its stickiness and will collapse in on itself, I guess, or not collapse in. It'll remove itself from the wall and just pull away, and that's happened to me before. And picture frames coming down on your foot are not the best. So yep, I think we've done it for long enough. And so now, okay, let's set this. What time is it? Let's figure out what time it is. Hey, actually the clock is set for the appropriate time. Might give it a minute or two more, but like, it's actually set for the correct time. Yep, give it there. And so, oh no, come on. I am never good at setting anything towards the wall. There. And then I plug it in. I plug it in my power strip. And hopefully it doesn't blow up, because of how old it is. Hey! And now I got a clock. I'm gonna have to move some of the wires. There we go. But, hey! I got my clock on. Woo! So, that's what I wanted to show you guys, that 3D printing can be useful for many different ways. This way, I don't have to put a nail in my wall right now. This, I can remove at any time with the command strips. And it'll still hold. It's not, it's not going anywhere, as you can see. And, I'm able to save a wall. When we move, just command strip it out, like the commercial says. And, whoop, we're good. So, with that, have a pleasant day, and I will see you next time. Bye.